My name is Michael Guyens. I'm a training supervisor at Doila in Bavaria and responsible for the intercompany vocational training of landscape gardeners. Today, we're going to look at soft face mallets.
Here,
we want to lay granite curbstones horizontally as a paved footpath. The Simplex 60 mallet with the black and the white insert is particularly good for this job. If the force of the black insert isn't enough, I can use the white insert for even more force. If the Simplex 60 mallet isn't powerful enough, I can use the bigger mallet, the 80. Then you can set any kind of slab. We used to use a simple mallet with a rubber head. The big disadvantage here is that the mallet bounces to the side because of the large contact area. This is reduced with the Simplex mallet because the contact area is small, so I have a cushioned, non-rebound impact. To drive in poles or posts, I use either a post driver or the Simplex 80, which we've already seen, in this case with a long handle for maximum impact power. If you still don't have enough power, for example with heavy clay soil, there's the Supercraft mallet. It's filled with steel shot, which eliminates rebound completely. This gives it additional power. Now, we want to lay red sandstone slabs, which are quite fragile, between the granite curbstones we've already laid. My choice here is the Simplex 60 with aluminum housing. This mallet is half the weight of the standard Simplex mallet. Combined with the gray insert, which has the same hardness as the black one, I don't leave any marks on the slabs. Just to demonstrate the difference again, I have a normal rubber mallet here. It leaves obvious abrasion marks on impact, which often lead to customer complaints. That's why my choice is definitely the Simplex mallet. And it's much less tiring than having to lift a heavy hammer all day. Yes, very good.